Chat, what's the deal, chat? Super late start, man. Super late start. I apologize for that. Really rough night. Let's just remove all our markups. Let's get our chart together. See what we got going on here today. Let's do a little recap. So on this brand new account, we started last week. 50K account, my funded futures. We took two trades. We missed the trading day because of the death of President Jimmy Carter, RIP. We missed 2 days. We missed one day. So our account is at 50,742. Our end goal to pass this challenge is $53,000. First day of trading, we made a little over 300. Second trade we took, we made a little over 400. You can go back, look at those videos for a recap if you would like. Right now, it's Monday. Markets are normally a little choppy on Mondays. How did our weekly candle close last week? Okay. So we failed to close beneath this candle right here last week. We failed. That was a failed candle closure. We are in, let's see here. Pull back, pull back. Let's take this off. We are in bullish market structure for the week. Breaking this low. Let's see which low. Low that made this high. Broke this. This is the low that made this high. This is our trading range right here between these two blue lines. I wonder if it'll be easier if I just draw a box around it. Just make it really light. And we can see. Maybe we'll do that from now on, chat. So break it down like this. This yellow box is our trading range. Let's put a little middle line in here. Something very thin. Also something very light. Just so we can see. So our weekly trading range. On the bottom. Save as. Range. Okay. So we're looking bullish for the week. The volume is dying off to the downside. Market open Sunday at 6 p.m. Eastern. Let's drop down to the daily. On the daily, we got the close below. We didn't get the close below this candle, so we could be in a sweep. This could be sweeping. Bring this back in here. This could be sweeping. Major low. Sweeping this liquidity also. We get a sweep of this liquidity. Let me just make sure I have this. You have to be pretty accurate when you're drawing these lines and levels of liquidity, just so you know what's going on. I promised my homeboy I'm going to do a video explaining stuff like trading view, what we're looking at, candles, just a basic beginner video. Hold on, chat. I'll be right back. Give me 1 second. Okay, excuse me for that, chat. My daughter's getting ready to run off to school, so I had to go say goodbye to her. So where was I at? Okay, so we already have our weekly dealing range. We're definitely in discount for the week. We're on a daily. Looking at price, it looks like it's sweeping this level here. Maybe it's done it. Let's give it a little bit. Market just opened up 7 minutes ago. This is our break. Break. On a daily, this is on a weekly breaker structure, so we're bullish. On the daily, we're bearish. We are bearish on the daily. Let's drop down to the 4 hour, see what we're looking like on the 4 hour. We are bearish on the 4 hour. I'm not gonna lie, chat. I'm not gonna lie. For me, I need to see a sweep of this level in order to feel confident taking a move to the upside. Like I said, Mondays normally range around. That's what I've noticed. If you're a professional trader and you come across this channel, let me know. Am I tripping? Do Mondays normally range around or not? Reading this volume, it seems like the volume is increasing to the downside. Let's drop down to a lower time frame. So it looks like we have price ranging between this high and in between this low right now on the 1 hour with our swing low for a higher time frame right here. So, chat, maybe we get a break like this. Maybe we get something like this. Maybe something like this, maybe. We head back up. That's a possibility. Let me see where my POIs are at. When I say POIs, I'm talking about points of interest. Let me see where they're at. So, we still have our fair value gap up here that was never retraced into. Right here. We still have that there. Let's color this pink. Go a little darker shade on that. What else do we have? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. We're trading inside a valid bullish order block. I'm going to tell you that much. This is the valid, well, let's recant that statement. Let's recant that statement. Okay, here we go. On the 4 hour, this would be a valid order block, which we've closed beneath, which would make me believe that this is now going to be resistance, sending us down further. Am I married to that idea? Hell no. Because on my weekly, I'm bullish. But on my daily, I'm bearish. On my 4 hour, I'm bearish. Let's go to 15. Hmm. On a 15, we're definitely bearish on the 15. That order block, that bullish order block that I marked off has now become an area of resistance. See how we came up in here and tapped into it? And now we're pushing down, creating this lower time frame. Swept this high. Let's go to two. Let's go to two screens. Left one's my 15-minute. Right one's gonna be my 1 minute. I need to see what's going on in more detail. Okay. So in a 15-minute, it looks like we might be getting a sweep of this low right here. Which would make sense. Okay. I like this. I actually like this. This is huge. So a huge push to the upside. I got here a little bit too low. I mean too late. .55 seconds left on the 15-minute candle. Let's see if we get a pullback so I can get an entry. I'm going to remove this order block that we traded through. We did not, this is not a valid order block because this candle did not close. It's actually rejecting this area with a pin bar, which I really like actually for a bullish move, forming a fair value gap right here like so. Do we get a tap and go? Let me get my trade ready. Definitely going to buy on market, take profit, just set them so I could have them placed there. I like to buy on black candles or bearish candles. We swept this low also. Swept this low. I'm gonna get in with 2. Let's go. We're in. We're in this trade. We're in this trade, chat, to the upside. See if we can get out this market. Entry is literally up here. With 2, that's 100. We're risking 200 on a trade. I don't really like that. That's more than I want to risk, but you know, let's see what happens. 2 to make 4. See how it goes. We're struggling, but bearish volume is dropping off on the 1 minute so far. I need to see a close above this. Close above this high will make me feel better. I just want to see a push from the bulls. Let me know they're back in control. The bears were able to create a little minor fair value gap, but nothing too significant. Okay. Okay. This is what I want to see. I will add on to this trade, chat. I will literally add on to this trade, even though I said I'm not really into doing that. I want to see a close above this level right here. And I'll possibly add on. Because we're getting heavy rejections from right here, from this level. We're getting rejected like crazy from here. And that's right above my, let's do this in a darker red. Remember, I'm scalping. Oh shit! I did not mean to sell my whole position, chat. Damn. I'm gonna hop back in, double the position size. I did not mean to sell my position, chat. I meant to take some off. That's crazy. I hop back in on some geeking nonsense right now. Let's see what happens. Man, that's a mental blunder right there. I just did the wildest shit, chat. Like literally the wildest shit ever. That was wild. I'm just watching my stop loss. I haven't moved it. Watching it, obviously. Obviously, I've played myself at this point. I'm just pissed I just did that. I need to see some moves from the Bulls pushing this price up. Yeah, I want to see a push above my level so I can actually take two off. I don't know why I have four freaking contracts off for the middle of a damn range. I'm really tripping. Like, here we go. I'll take two off. Now I feel better. Changes back to one. That's what I wanted to do, Chad. I was really bugging. Let's move this up. Let's move our stop loss up. I mean, we could get a sweep of this low right here. But at this point, we're already locked in. What did we start at? 720. So we locked in 120 already. This level, this yellow line right here that I'm moving, this is the fair value gap that was created to the downside from the bears. This level right here is the level of rejection that we've been getting from this level up here on the 15. Let's see what happens. We literally could get taken out right here. So, but we're at 50,841 right now, locked in profit. So, you're up like a buck 20 for the day. I believe I have to look at the trading log. I believe our account reaches 51 51,000, that'd be 300 some change for the day. Chad, I don't know. I really wasn't looking. I wasn't paying attention. Just trying to get these gains for this account. where I have my take profit at is actually almost 50% of a bearish fair value gap that hasn't been traded back into. Yeah, so let's see how that works out. Up 192 still. Taking one off from here would just give me 80% profit. We're reaching this line right here. We reach this right here, I'll take one off because that's a level of resistance that we seem to not be able to pass. But the volume is increasing at this level. We have strong volume coming in from the bulls. Pushing through this level. I want to see a close above this level, this yellow line. 1 minute, we did get the close. We're sandwiched between these two areas. I don't like being sandwiched like this. Not enough to add on. So I'm just going to continue to hold this trade. Let's move our stop loss up to break even. I like that. We're locked in. We've locked in our profits. A little bit above break even. You know how I do. I'm going to take, let's see this candle. How are we pushing? Yeah, see, this level is pretty damn strong. Yeah, I'm going to take one off here. Chat. So let's change this out to one. We now have one contract left on the trade. I'm going to take full TP at our red line up here. This one. Let's make this let's make this yellow when we have resistance somewhere, and let's make this levels of interest that we're looking to close over. Let's make that blue. Let's make that like purple or something. Hold on, chat. Chat, I'm feeling like I want to continue to move. I'm feeling like I want to move my take profit up higher and just let this run. What do you think? Let it run to about this high up here? Because here's the deal. I feel like we're definitely in an uptrend right now. We took our profits off. Our count is at 50,925. So essentially we did make like I don't know what we started at least 200 and some change. Right? We got the close above this level right here, which is what we wanted. Turning this into a inverted fair value gap, which means we closed to an opposite side fair value gap, which is a good thing. We could possibly touch this, continue to bounce to at least this level, where I was going to close the trade out at. Let's see. I'm going to move our stop loss up higher, though. Let's move it up to here at least. Okay. Let's see what we got going on over here on the 1 hour chart. See, on a 1 hour, we're in a 1 hour fair value gap right here, bearish fair value gap right here. So that's our 15-minute. This is our 1 hour, though. Check this out. We've tapped into it multiple times, respecting it. We're getting a lot of bearish pressure right here. See, the thing about this is, this was a bearish candle that pushed all the way down and got pushed all the way back up. So we have a lot of bullish energy in this candle. Look at that. Will that stop hold? That'd be crazy if it holds to the T. Look at that. Yeah, we're getting taken out here. Not bad. Not bad at all. Felt like that's where the rejection was going to come from. That's why I closed out one, took our profits. Let's remove all our drawings just so we get a clear board and a clear chart. Let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. Let's readjust. Let's mark this up. Let's just talk about what happened. So the reason I hopped into the trade is because I seen this swing low reject on a lower time frame, and it rejected hard. Because you got to check it out. This candle went up, came all the way down here as a bearish candle, and rejected all the way back up here with all this volume right here, right? At the same time, bullish volume was increasing, right? At the same time, we're in this area of support. See all these wicks right here? We're in areas of support. The market is being supported in this area right here, this whole zone. So I want to mark this off. This whole zone, the market is being supported. So let's make this green for support. That's what I'm seeing so far, right? This is on the 4 hour. This bearish volume has died down. If you can see the slope we're on. Now we have the bull stepping in on this 4 hour candle, and it just closed. So if I'm believing this market to be bullish, let's see where this market opened up right here. Oops. It opened up, this new 4 hour candle opened up right here. So I want to see some liquidity being swept from the downside. Maybe on the 5 minute. Let's look at the 5 minute. If liquidity gets, if we sweep this right here, this low, possibly this low, but at least this low. And possibly this low. I'll start looking for trades to the upside again. So, Chad, I would like y'all to leave comments, man. Is there anything that y'all want me to explain better? Do you want me to do a video on specific topics? I mean, I'm gonna do that anyway. Um, do you want vlog style content from me? Like you see how my morning goes before I come down to the charts? You know, thinking the nights before when I'm looking at the charts, any of that stuff, you gotta let me know. I mean, I think I'm ahead of the game right now, trading live in front of you guys. Because I mean, you have a lot of people that say they trade live, but do they really trade live? An audio streamer bit rate of 128. What is this thing talking about? My audio bit rate is at 160. Leave this alone. All right, so See, we're trading between this level right here. This level right here is crazy. Holding us back. These can't hold me back. These can't hold me back. Trading between right there. Just pretty crazy. Let me go back to that 1 hour fair value gap. Where was it? It's right here. It's 1 hour bearish fair value gap that we've tapped into multiple times. What the hell? That we've tapped into multiple times. First time was cool, respected. Second time, we came down and rejected, which leads me to believe that we're literally going to blow through this thing and we're trying to turn around and go back to the upside. Pushing down here, closing the 1 hour above this blue line right here would create a bullish order block, a valid bullish order block. Let me jump back down to the 5 minutes, see what we got going on. Let's go. Then I'm not looking for too big of a move because it is Monday, man. And Monday gets you fucked up. I'm not even gonna lie. Price opened up here for the 4 hour candle. We already swept liquidity over here. So this, in fact, let me go on for 2 contracts real quick. Let me go on for 2 real quick. I think I missed something. Yeah, I did miss something. Because this is a order block formed right here, only 5 minutes. So I'm about to scalp like maybe 40, 50 bones. 40 or 50. 40 or 50. Let's go. Let's get this push. See how it's still getting rejected from right here? This is what I didn't like the first time. This is what I didn't like the first time. We're pushing through now. There we go. I'm going to take half off. I'll take that 30 something. Okay. There we go. Big ass push. See, I missed this chat. I missed this bullish order block that we formed right here, and we came back and retested. I missed it. It's hard for me to stream and talk to you guys about what I'm doing. Like I said, I'm new at the streaming thing, so forgive me. Forgive your boy, but I'm giving out game, trading in front of you, not lying like no lame. I can't believe I just did that on chat. Just can't believe I just rapped on y'all. My bad, chat. I like this push. Let me just put a stop loss here. Let me see. I'm buying. So let me sell one. No, we're not doing that. Break even. Break even. Not giving this money back. Matter of fact, let's close this out. Let's close this out. The account is officially at $51,000, chat. Three trades, we made $1,000. No, 4 trades. 4 trades and 3 trading days, we made $1,000. So in little under, well, we traded 1 day, 2. The 3rd day we couldn't trade. 3 days. Yeah, this is our 3rd trading day. So our 3rd trading day, we made $1,000. We need to make $2,000 more in order to pass our evaluation. There is no time frame as to when I can pass this evaluation. I need to pass it within the month's time frame, or I get charged for the account again. Okay. That was a good scalp right there. I'm proud of myself for that. I mean, yeah, chat. Basically, the trading day is done. Let me see if I could remember where we started our account at. Let me go to our My Funded Futures account and see. Uh-oh. Let's do it like this. Let's go to my Funded Futures. feel like we're gonna break this level, but the volume is dying off again at this level, which is weird as hell, bro. Because it's like, what did I tell you? I told you on Monday the price ranges around. Look, so we're ranging from between here and this level right now, here and here. We broke this level, came back in, pushed all the way down here. It's just really insane. This is what the market does. So we came into this level right here. We came up, pushed up to this bearish fair value gap, right? Pushed all the way down, taking out this swing low, right? Failing to close, pushing all the way back up to taking out this high, failing to get any type of decent move above this high right here. But there's still 49 minutes left in this 1 hour candle, so we've only been in it for 10 minutes. You know what I'm saying? But it's not looking good. Let's see what we started the day at. I'm signing, guys. I just have some personal information that I don't want you guys to see. It's like as far as my credit card and stuff like that. But I'm gonna bring the board for you guys. Okay, here we go. What the hell? Okay, chat. This is the account we just bought. As you can see, start date January 8th, 2025. You know what I'm saying? That's when we first bought our account. Evaluation, initial balance of 50,000. This is the platform one. Minimum trading days. You need to have at least one minimum trading day to pass. So that just means you could pass on your first day. Minimum account balance. We started out with an available drawdown of 2,500, which is still intact. If we go below $48,242, accounts blown. First day trade, the current progress before we started today was $742. That's what we started today at in profit. We need to make 53,000 as a goal. As you can see, this is our bar where we move up. So we started the day out at $742.46 in profit. Here's the trades that we took. This is when we opened the account. The first day we made $304. Second day, no trade. Remember, we had no trade this day. Our third day, we made $437.60, right? When it says 9 trades, that's your buy and your sell. So that's when you get in and when you get out. Or maybe just when you enter. I took 9 trades. Oh, yeah, that's the day that I was trying to scalp, being slick, and it pulled back on me. It started going in my direction, so I had to hop in on a couple trades. I remember that. Okay, and then worst trade. I didn't take a $169 loss. What is this thing talking about? Oh, yeah, that's when I turned it around and got that money right back. Okay, and then, so now today is Monday. Today is the 13th, so we're right here. And basically, from 7:42, let's see, do I have a calculator on here? I had to restart my whole computer and access everything. So from our account is now at, what do we say it's at? So let's do it like this. Our account is at 51. No, let's do 50. 742.60 is what we started at. No, I'm tripping. It's 251. Minus, what is it, 742? We made $260.94 today to bring our account over the $1,000 mark. I said I want to average at least 300 a day. You know, $4 off. What do you want to do? What do you $6 off? Like, come on now. We have a 75% win rate. That trade day really messed me up. I should have never tried to scalp the market the opposite way. Took a total of 12 trades, averaging average wins $100 plus with a 3.52 profit factor, which is really good in a 75% win rate. That's really good. Longest I've hold my trades says 45 seconds to a minute is most of my largest trades. 5 to 10 minutes. I don't know which trade I held for that long. Oh, here we go. Here you can see my trades. So, starting the account out, I took a contract. I took position of 2 contracts. Profited $169. Second time I traded that day, took a position of 5 contracts that profited me $76.80. Now, obviously, must have taken a position of 4 contracts that profited me $50. I don't know what this is. It must be my contract size, but I don't remember all these trades. I didn't take that many trades. That's weird. Anyway, as we move on to the 10th, made 104, 44, 25, 42. This is that same day. This is when the market started moving against me and I closed out those trades. And I came back with that banger right here. And I was like, I'm going to scalp the market to the downside and be slick. Remember I said that? Didn't work out. So I turned that trade right around, closed those out, and opened up the other trades. Boom, put me right in profit. So overall, we're doing really well for this account, chat. We're doing really well for this account, chat. Like really, really well. So the account is in profit $1,000. We have not had any losing days. It's our 3rd trading day. Thank you, baby. It's our 3rd trading day, and we have another profitable day. So that's it for me, chat. I'm not about to sit on this thing all day. My wife just bought me some breakfast. I'm about to eat. I don't know. You guys are sticklers and be like, "Oh, you said you're gonna make $300 a day. You only made 294." I mean, what do you want me to do? You want me to take a trade to the downside for a freaking $6? I don't know. I'm feeling like I may be able to scalp another. I feel like I may be able to scalp another $100 out of this thing, man. I still have this liquidity down here. Remember that, chat. On a 15-minute, we swept this high, closed beneath the opening. This bullish candle, man. I think, yeah, I'll scalp it to the downside for you, chat. Hmm. Just the bulls are super strong here. Yep, no, I don't trust Mondays. That's it, chat. Thank you for joining. Appreciate you guys for all the support. To my subscribers that I have gained, I appreciate you. To anybody viewing my content after the live goes live and it is done, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can see me trade live, so you can actually be involved in the trading, ask me questions while I'm trading, and I'll do my best to answer them. Like I said, leave any suggestions that you guys have for video content that you want me to teach you guys about. Like, how am I making these trades? Why am I making these trades? What platform am I using? What's the contract size? What is NASDAQ? What is futures trading? What is prop firm? Whatever questions you guys have, just ask me. I'm about to change the title of this video to how to make oh shit. How to make $300. That's what they do on YouTube, right? They clickbait you. How to make $300 daily. How long did it take me to do that? How to make $300 in 20 minutes. Futures. Futures live day trading. Futures live day trading. Does that even make sense? Let's save that. What the market's doing, chat. That's why I didn't take that trade to the downside, because this rejection was so crazy. It made me feel like if I did that, like, that'd be wild. But now I'm like, this is probably where I take it down from. I want to scalp another 50 to 100 bucks out the market. Scalp it to like right here. I'm feeling like these levels should be taken. This is just crazy. But my feelings and what's actually happened are two different things. See what I'm saying, chat? Look at this. See what I'm saying? What I'm talking about. Now I'm about to get me a sell. I'm about to get me a selling real quick. Let me see, chat. Swept this again. And it's this level is crazy, but yeah, I'm gonna sell to the downside. I'm gonna put 2 in. Get some money real quick. Get some money yards. A big push to the downside one time, and I'll get out. Let's go. Let's go. Uh-oh. Here we go. Come on, continue that push. Play with me. Play with me. I'll make that $6 for you guys. He told you I was gonna make that $6 for you guys who were being picky. Now I'm out. I just wanted to do that, but we're gonna get a drop. We're gonna get a drop. I mean, I just wanted to make that extra $6 for you guys. You're like, oh, it's not $300. All right, I'm out. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like I said, comment, like, subscribe, share, learn with your wife, learn with your husband. It's life changing.